So this beautiful little shiny chic stone caught my eye on Instagram, and it's from the brand Fluff, and I wanted to feature them in a video today because I think it's so cool. And that's one of the things I love about beauty, is like finding smaller businesses, women-owned businesses, businesses that are sustainable and different. Like a lot of times in the beauty industry we see a lot of the same things regurgitated over and over and over again. So when I find something really cool and really different, that makes me excited, and I want to always highlight those businesses on my channel, of course. So this is a brand Fluff. Like I said, it's a woman-owned business. I believe they're an Australian business, and they make these like beautiful compacts, and when you open it up, it's your product inside that you refill. So once you use this all up, you pop it out with like a little pin. They do sell like a little pin you can purchase, but I'm sure if you just use like a little paper clip or something, you can just pop it out. And so obviously the idea is you purchase the outside compact once and then you just refill it as you use it. So obviously a lot more sustainable than like plastic packaging, one-time use packaging where you have to just like throw it out after you finish it or once it gets old or whatever. So they have their two like main products, one being a bronzing powder. So this is a powder bronzer, comes in like 4 or 5 shades, and their lip oil, like lip and cheek oil. So lots of different shades of this. There's also like a clear, and I obviously like watched a lot of their videos on Instagram and stuff, watched like the founder talk about the business and everything, and it is deliberate to only have, you know, like the 2 products. They are supposed to be very like multi-use products, kind of being able to give yourself some color, feel good like just with the 2 products. And they're obviously also a smaller business, so they put all of their like work and money and everything into these like 2 supposed to be really good products, and also just minimize the products that you like do need to buy and do need to use and throw out. It's all about simplicity, you know, minimalist makeup, all of that. And I also loved their like philosophy or their saying or whatever. So they always say, we believe that it's okay to feel more with makeup so long as you don't feel less without it. And I just love that, and I really like resonated with that. So I feel like that's exactly like what I always think about makeup too, is I never want it to be like a you have to have these things or you aren't beautiful with these things or with these products. I never want to portray that. I don't believe that myself. When I actually like worked as a makeup artist, I would do lessons, and I never wanted to portray that idea that like you need to buy these things and you need to have these things. And for me, it's all about enhancing, playing, having fun with makeup. And obviously it can just make you feel better and more confident, but the idea is once you take those away, you're not feeling less and you're not feeling unloved or ugly or anything like that. So I really resonated with that. I love that. And I don't think you'd be surprised to know that they're also vegan, cruelty-free, all of that, cleaner ingredients. So all the good things. They also only do, I think, two or three drops a year, and they do sell out pretty quickly. So I literally like have been keeping my eye on them, signed up for notifications so they're like early access to it, and then right when I got the email that the drop was live, I went and bought my things. That was the last drop that they had, and I just got a notification that they're having one right now as well. So these products definitely aren't available all the time. You kind of have to watch it and really like want it and pay attention. But I wanted to try both of their products, so I purchased an introduction like kit, which you actually save quite a bit of money doing that than buying them separately. So I got obviously the large cloud compact, it's called, and I got the #1 golden shade because obviously I'm more fair, so it's the fairest shade, and then the small cloud compact and the lip oil refill in #2 original tint. I remember it being like quite a bit cheaper to get the starting kit than buying them separately, which I thought was really cool. For both I paid $85. With the bronzing powder, if you were to like buy the compact and the refill alone, is $70. And the lip oil to buy alone, like with the refill in there, starts at $36. So you're definitely saving money doing the little bundle like I did, which I also thought was really cool because they clearly want you to try them. And I also feel like it shows how much like confidence they have in their products to be able to like discount them for you to try them, because they truly do believe like you're gonna like it and you're gonna come back basically. And then once you have the compacts, the refill for the lip oil is $15, which is not bad at all for like a high-end lip oil. And the bronzing powder refill is $25, which again for like a prestige higher end bronzer is not bad at all. So yes, there's an upfront cost. You're paying for this, you know, compact, but the idea is that you'll have it basically forever, and then you just refill it. And you kind of do have like this little work of art. Like who doesn't want to like pull this out of their makeup case and be like, look at this, like so cool. Like I've just been having them aside to be able to try for a video, but I can't wait to like once this video is filmed to like have this with me, this little like lip oil with me every day, because they're so pretty. And when I say I knew from the videos on Instagram that like they're weighted, they're like heavy, they feel substantial, but the large compact, like when I say it's like heavy, it is heavy. Like I was very like surprised at how like quite how heavy it was. But I clearly already put my refills like into my compacts, so they just come in these little, so you get like these little packaging. There's a large compact, small compact, and then you get your refills and you just open it up and it's like stuck right there, and you just take it off, put it into your little compact. So super cool. But I was just way too excited. I just like popping them right in right away. Okay, let's get on to actually trying these. I just wanted to try to get all the information out there first, because to me a brand like this is more than just like trying their product, more than just the products. Like it's like a whole philosophy. So wanted to get all those details out there. So let's try first the bronzer. So definitely usually use like concealer or foundation or a skin tint or something on my skin first. But the idea with this, like I said, is kind of being able to do your whole face with just these products. So I'm gonna kind of go by that and try that today. They do have like a little travel kabuki brush as well that they sell, specifically like for the bronzer. Actually, I guess I did see the girl use it for the lip oil too, to apply it as a blush. It's one of those brushes that like you can put like the cover on, and it's like a little travel brush. So they do sell one of those as well, but I definitely just like really don't need any more brushes. I was gonna use my little powder brush and dip in and just apply it where I normally do. So I was just watching a video of the owner applying everything, and she's talking about how it's very buildable. Like you can just do one little swipe like that, get some color, but if you just keep building on top, you can really get like quite a dramatic look. And then if you use a smaller brush, of course you can do a little bit more like contouring as well. This is actually like a good tip if you find yourself applying a lot of product on your face and feeling like you need like a lot of coverage, and you like apply your foundation too thick and you want to start like using less product on your face. It is a really good idea to apply your like bronzer and blush first, because you end up applying less coverage after. It's kind of like that underpainting method. That is so pretty. I kind of was like, yeah, right, like only using bronzer pretty much on my face, like that's not gonna really like make me feel like ready, but it really does. Like it's so nice. Such a pretty shade too for my skin tone. Gives you that color. It's really not like too bad at all. Like I actually feel pretty good about this. And then of course you can use it as like an eyeshadow as well. I already do use pretty much just bronzer on my eyes every day anyway, so this is definitely something I would do. I love that it's not like too sheer and too natural. Like it does give you color, even though my skin tone is not like completely evened out with foundation or anything, but you still see the product. It doesn't disappear. It does give you that color. So nice and so pretty. It gives you a little bit of like sun-kissed look. And then the lip oil. So I got this in that like natural tint shade. I did like swatch it, like dab a little bit on my lips like right when I first got it, because like I said, I couldn't wait. I mean, I was waiting for a drop. Like I was on the wait list pretty much, like early access, and I paid, you know, pretty penny for this, so I was excited once I got it. There's the shade on the lips. It's a pretty natural shade, almost just like a little bit brighter than my lip color, my natural lip color. And then I'm gonna dab it onto the cheeks as well. And again, she talks about how it's buildable. So you kind of saw that first swatch, it was like a little bit of color. And then I did another layer. And definitely add some more color. I really love this color for my cheeks. I would maybe want, they do have like a couple deeper shades. I would feel like the little bit of a deeper shade I think would be really pretty on the lips, but I do love this lighter shade on the cheeks. And like I said, there is a clear lip balm as well, and obviously you'd pretty much just use it on your lips as like just a lip oil, lip balm. She did mention that you can put the clear through your brows as kind of like a little pomade as well. Kind of a fun little tip. Okay, so that is 2 products on my skin. I have definitely underpainted before and done this, like been at this like stage, but then added like concealer and like some coverage kind of underneath and stuff too. But I don't think I've ever just wore bronzer and blush. So I think, so what I was originally gonna do was kind of be like, okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of coverage because I want a little bit of brightness under my eyes and stuff. But I think I'm actually gonna challenge myself to just, this is just my makeup for today. And it's actually, it's nice. Even if you don't do any like coverage or anything, a little bit of brow gel, a little bit of mascara would be nice too, like if you want to like level it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this. I like this. This feels good. This feels natural. It feels glowy, warm. Like I feel naturally pretty. So that is the brand Fluff. So cool. Was excited to try it. Was excited to show you guys, talk about it. Talk about a cool brand that's actually doing cool things. And of course, we'll keep using them, keep trying them. But I mean, this kind of speaks for itself, I feel like. So pretty. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you've ever heard of this brand, if you'd be interested in something like this. I would love to hear your thoughts. That is all I have for you guys today. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you do see the next one. I'm trying to be more consistent. A video each week would be amazing. That's my goal right now. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.